did not have the fanciest equipment. My father changed careers to become a farmer, to follow his passion, to follow his dream. But we were not the big guys. We were the small guys. We started out with 8 acres, and it kind of grew from there. It's important for us to maximize every single square inch and do the right thing and not have mistakes. They do happen, but they cost real money. The big thing I still try to remember daily is if there's a job to do, you don't quit until it's done. I mean, that really is one thing that sticks out to me, that I've never been afraid to work hard no matter how big the obstacle, because I've seen some big ones in my day. I think adversity tends to bring out the best in people, maybe not right away, but those circumstances tend to teach you a lot about yourself. And the tuition may seem steep in the beginning, but when you look back in time, they tend to meld you into the person you're supposed to be. We're authentic, we're real, we're local, and we're Iowa. If you're looking for a long-term partner that understands where you're coming from, let's grow together.